A progress bar is a great way to let your respondents who are filling out your web form know just how much of the form they've completed, as well as how much of the form is still unfinished. This is particularly useful for long, multi-page forms and can also just be a great way to enhance the user experience. I'm Dustin Phelps with FormAssembly, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily add a progress bar to your web form in FormAssembly. Let's get into it. So before we dive in, let's go over what you're going to need for this tutorial. As you can see, you can create a progress bar with any FormAssembly plan, and you will also need some custom code, which we've included in the description below. Now, if you're not already a FormAssembly user, don't worry, you can start a free trial of FormAssembly to follow along, and I'll include that link in the description below. All right, enough of that, let me show you how this thing works. First, from the Forms list page, choose the form you want to add the progress bar to. Ideally, you'll select one that you've designed with multiple pages to get the most out of the progress bar. Once you're in the form builder, you want to navigate to the properties page and then paste the code we've included in this video into the custom code section. The code is a mix of JavaScript and CSS. Now this code will create a bright blue status bar, but you can adjust the color to match your branding by changing this portion of the code, where it says background in the style sheet, to the RGB and RGBA values of your choice. Next, simply save your form and test out the progress bar. Well, there you have it. A progress bar to add a little something special to any form. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you liked this form building tip, please let us know by hitting that like button. And if you have any suggestions for future tutorials, please let us know down in the comments. If you want some more form building tips and tutorials, check out these videos here. I think you're gonna like them. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy form building.